Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about BenQ EX480UZ at 14-inch gaming OLED display. So friend, BenQ has introduced the MOBIUZ EX480UZ gaming monitor, which features an organic EL display, and friend, the first OLED screen from the MOBIUZ brand with 4K UHD resolution. And friend, playing video games has never looked better than a display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 0.1 millisecond GTG response time. And friend, on the top of that is outfitted with HDRi technology and three distinct gameplay mode: FPS, RPG, and racing mode. And friend, not only if it the possible use the FreeSync Premium feature to minimize screen tearing, the light tuner feature to fine-tune brightness, and the back equalizer feature to increase visibility in low blue light setting, and the vivid color feature to add shades and project color in 3 dimensions. But it also works properly with application in question. And friend, the color vibrance capability is added. And friend, the display color is approximately 1.07 billion colors. The aspect ratio is 16 jam 9. Contrast ratio is 1,35,000 jam 1. Brightness is 450 cadmium per meter square. Viewing angle horizontal or vertical 178 degree. And friend, it has a built-in 2.1 channel treVolo speaker and 5 types of sound modes, and it has a USB Type-C connection that can accept a 90-watt power supply. And the following are primary features and benefits of the product. And friend, it also has the HDMI 2.1 inputs and a pair of DisplayPort 1.4 inputs and a pair of USB 3.2 Gen 1 inputs and USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C input. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the approximately market price is $1,700. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.